Hey YouTube, so today is the next day from the video you're about to watch. I'm going to go over what I did yesterday. So you'll see on the video the starter is under the intake. So you're going to take all of that off, intake off, disconnect the fuel line, disconnect the brake booster, disconnect the injector connectors, disconnect the liquid cooling on the throttle body, obviously disconnect the battery. I will tell you 100% the hardest part about this job was there's bolts on the very back of the intake. There's one on the back there, one on the back there. That and the starter itself, the 14 mil bolts on the back of the starter are definitely difficult, so I would suggest you get some PB blaster or something to kind of loosen that up, because if not, you're gonna have one hell of a time. I went ahead and got the intake gasket kit. It's just little round pieces that go under each runner, and then there's one for the throttle body. So I cleaned the throttle body out, tried to clean out the intake as much as I could, re-oiled my filter. It's a junkyard find for 50 bucks, including the tubing, the housing, the filter, all that stuff. There's tons of videos, so I'm just going to have the time lapse of me doing it, on what to do. You know, you'll need a 10 millimeter, 12 millimeter, 14 millimeter. The biggest thing that I found that helped me, we'll go inside real quick, or I'll just grab it. Excuse house, it's a mess right now. Horrible mess. Horrible mess. Alright, here we go. These angled pliers are the best thing you could use for this, because like injector, boom, off. Hose clamps, boom, off. Like, it's fantastic. So make sure you definitely pick up a pair of these angled pliers. Other than that, just normal wrenches. If you got some power tools, that'd be better. Make the job go faster. Oh yeah, that's the other thing. I've done a lot of stuff, and this thing took me like 6 hours to do. Now granted, I did drain my transmission fluid and refill it, and oiled the filter, and replaced the gaskets, but it was still one hell of a job. And right about there is about the view you're gonna get, so that's where I'm gonna leave the video. Alright guys, enjoy the video. Leave a like, subscribe. Thanks.